Hello everyone, welcome to Hello Everything! Wow, there are so many adorable animals! Hello animals!
Hello everyone!
They're so adorable, aren't they? How many animals do you guys see? 1, 2, 3... there are so many of them! Do you guys know how to count numbers?
Yeah!
That's great! Why don't we meet the animals one by one and learn how to count numbers from them?
Okay!
I'm so excited! Are you guys ready to count some numbers?
Yeah!
Let's get started!
Hello, my name is Penguin.
Hello, Penguin!
Penguin is here by himself. That is one animal. Can you guys say one?
One!
Good job! Thank you, Penguin.
Hello, my name is Crocodile.
Hello, Crocodile!
Now there are two animals. Can you guys say two?
Two!
Good job! Thank you, Crocodile.
Hello, my name is Elephant.
Hello, Elephant!
Now there are three animals. Can you guys say three?
Three!
Great! Thank you, Elephant.
Hello, my name is Bear.
Hello, Bear!
Now there are four animals. Can you guys say four?
Four!
Good job! Thank you, Bear.
Hello, my name is Leopard.
Hello, Leopard!
Now there are five animals. Can you guys say five?
Five!
Good job! Thank you, Leopard.
Hello, my name is Monkey.
Hello, Monkey!
Now there are six animals. Can you guys say six?
Six!
Good job! Thank you, Monkey.
Hello, my name is Giraffe.
Hello, Giraffe!
Now there are seven animals. Can you guys say seven?
Seven!
Great job! Thank you, Giraffe.
Hello, my name is Koala.
Hello, Koala!
Now there are eight animals. Can you guys say eight?
Eight!
Great! Thank you, Koala.
Hello, my name is Tiger.
Hello, Tiger!
Now there are nine animals. Can you guys say nine?
Nine!
Awesome! Thank you, Tiger.
Hello, my name is Lion. Rawr!
Hello, Lion!
Now there are 10 animals. Can you guys say 10?
10!
Good job! Thank you, Lion. Wow, now we know how to count numbers 1 to 10. Let's try counting one more time with the animals.
1, 2, 3,
4,
5, 6,
7.
8,
9, 10.
Now, are you guys ready for 10 more animals?
Yeah!
With 10 more animals, we'll be able to count to 20. Let's go!
Hello, my name is Jaguar.
Hello, Jaguar!
Now there are 11 animals. Can you guys say 11?
11!
Great! Thank you, Jaguar.
Hello, my name is Rhinoceros.
Hello, Rhinoceros!
Now there are 12 animals. Can you guys say 12?
12!
Excellent! Thank you, Rhinoceros.
Hello, my name is Gorilla.
Hello, Gorilla!
Now there are 13 animals. Can you guys say 13?
13!
Good job! Thank you, Gorilla. Oh!
Hello, my name is Wolf.
Hello, Wolf.
Now there are 14 animals. Can you guys say 14?
14.
Perfect. Thank you, Wolf.
Hello, my name is Zebra.
Hello, Zebra.
Now there are 15 animals. Can you guys say 15?
15.
That's right. Thank you, Zebra.
Hello, my name is Polar Bear.
Hello, Polar Bear.
Now there are 16 animals. Can you guys say 16?
16.
Awesome. Thank you, Polar Bear.
Hello, my name is Parrot.
Hello, Parrot.
Now there are 17 animals. Can you guys say 17?
17.
Excellent. Thank you, Parrot.
Hello, my name is Cheetah.
Hello, Cheetah.
Now there are 18 animals. Can you guys say 18?
18.
Great. Thank you, Cheetah.
Hello, my name is Orangutan.
Hello, Orangutan.
Now there are 19 animals. Can you guys say 19?
19.
Well done. Thank you, Orangutan. Hello, my name is Hippopotamus.
Hello, Hippopotamus.
Now there are 20 animals. Can you guys say 20?
20.
Cool! Thank you, Hippopotamus! Wow, now we know how to count to 20. Let's try counting numbers one more time from 1 to 20.
1,
1.
2,
2.
3,
3.
4,
4.
5,
5.
6,
6.
7,
7.
8,
8.
9,
9.
10,
10.
11,
11.
12,
12.
13,
13.
14,
14.
15,
15.
16,
16.
17,
17.
18,
18.
19,
19.
20!
20.
Yeah, great job, everyone! And thank you, animals!
you're welcome.
Now you guys are all set to start counting the things around you. Why don't you try counting the toys in your room? Or see how many books you have on the bookshelf.
Okay.
See you next time. Bye!